What's up, Preston? Just finishing this game. It's still about another minute left. Let's chop today. Yeah, we're just waiting one more minute, another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take a setup. Yesterday I did a bit of an issue. My mistake was taking a trade before 15:30. I mean, sorry, before 15:40. Today I know I must wait a little bit. Salam Bridge. I have a question. How do I learn your strategy? I mean, if you just like spend time like just watching the stream, I mean, you can kind of pick up, I guess. How's it, guys? Okay, so let's just check what we're dealing with today, right? So, okay, so I'm looking here. We still got this unfilled gap here, right? Let me just put my mic. So we've got an unfilled gap right here, okay, and then we've also got rejection of this 1 hour gap here. I do learn a lot with streams, but I want to start taking trades on my own and learning to perfect my trading skills. I mean, you can join the group and you know, we do mentorship every Sunday and stuff like that. So we can teach you guys for free. It's free on YouTube. We do teach. It's completely free. Sundays we do live. Sometimes we don't. Sometimes because I'm busy. But yeah. Can we just share the stream? Days we do live. Sometimes we don't. This is the Dean and Abdul Samad are beefing on the open chat, and I never even tell them to beef. Dean made his own stickers of Abdul Samad. Yes, we do live. Sometimes we don't. Who's that complaining? There's someone, I don't know, the people fighting in the group or something. I don't know. I'll see to them later. I'm just showing the links here. Okay, so all the links have been sent. Okay, so now what are we looking at here? So we're kind of playing between these two fair value gaps. There's 1 hour gap here. You see, we rejected nicely there, and then we're rejecting here as well. So it's a bit of a tricky one today. So what I'd hope for is we take out one of these fair value gaps and we can take an entry from one of these two here. Take a sell to possibly, or we're only making jokes in the group, no fighting. I don't know what's happening. I'm not really worried now. Salam Zubair, Simon. Okay, so then we rejected there. So I'm looking, you have any 15-minute gaps here that I might be interested in. Okay, nothing really interests me. 30 minutes, anything. Okay, so we are in this gap here. Someone took it to heart. Honestly, I don't know. It's been crazy these last few days. It's actually funny. Like what's the peak that's happening in the group. Like I actually find it really funny what's happening in the group. Like it's kind of keeps the group alive in some ways. You know, it keeps the vibe going. Not everything needs to be like, you know, trading related. I mean, like it's sometimes it's good to have some, you know, some like step away from trading. Like, you know, it doesn't have to be serious. The group doesn't have to be serious. I mean, like if you have some days where like you're just fooling around, whatever. I mean, you need that sometimes. There are people obviously that are complaining, obviously that they get for trading, but there's fighting going on and shit like that. Yeah, that Salim is nodding. I can't lie, he's nodding sometimes, but he's okay. Like he can be nodding. I mean, like I get like why people are upset with him, but I mean, he messaged me a few times. He seems okay. He's just like I get why people can be mad at him because the way he like flexes and stuff like that, and think that he's like better than everyone. So I get why people could be mad at him. Okay, it looks like we could be going towards this gap here, and we broke out of this 30-minute here. So we're going on 30-minute time frame. We did break out of there. So potentially, maybe I might take a trade from here to there. So if I do take a trade, it will be something maybe till there, and it could reject somewhere there, and it's whatever. This could potentially be a trade that I'm looking at. So a buy till there, and then we could maybe, if it does continue, maybe we could leave runners, continue maybe going target to Asia highs. Let's just see how this goes. Remember, the first 10 minutes or so is manipulation. So we'll wait and see how it goes. So there isn't any entry there. Yes, it's the same. Is the same. Is this the same as US100 cash? Correct. That's I think that's on XM. That's XM called it US100 cash, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so currently if we need to see one of these hourly gaps get tapped into. Otherwise, I'm not taking a trade like right now. We'll wait and see how these two react. That's our drawn liquidity. Our drawn liquidity is either this or that. Nothing in between. Okay. You know, if I do decide, maybe I will maybe wait for this gap here to get inverse right here. If I do decide, maybe I might take a buy here. Potentially, if we do break above here, I think that could be. Oh shit! Why is it so big? Potentially. Okay, so if we do break out, this should be a decent trade. If we break out here, break above these highs, but looks like it's coming back into 30 minute here. So break above here, and you could target potentially targeting. You left the group. Damn, I didn't know you left the group. By the way, no, wait, Dean. The person who was complaining was Uwais. Uwais was complaining that the people that I was fighting. This is Uwais. Dean and Abdul Samad are beefing on the open chat, and I never even tell them to beef. Dean made his own stickers of Abdul Samad. That's Uwais talking about you, Dean, and Abdul Samad are beefing. So yeah. Okay, we're still waiting. I'm not gonna take any traders yet. 0.02. What account? What account size is that? Like if it's 100 or something, that's fine. Potentially these Asia eyes I'm looking at. Hey, Oasis is a troll, guys. He's a troll. Okay, I'm waiting for this candle to close. Once this candle here closes, you could potentially enter longs. But I think maybe let's wait for the first 10 minutes or so. See how this goes. Okay, it's already pushing up. Okay, so I don't think we should actually take this trade here because it's already pushing up here. This 1 minute candle is pushing up quite a bit, and but we're only gonna get till that's what I'm expecting. 0.05 is perfectly fine. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see how this reacts. Okay, I'm waiting yet. There isn't much, like, I mean, you can't really take a trade like this. You can't really take, that's like a very small trade you're gonna be taking. It's like a very tiny trade, that's like 100 pips. So rather just wait for it to tap here. It did respect this IFEG, so wait for a tap here. If it does continue, okay, somehow if it does continue from here, could take buys from there and target those highs. But other than that, I think I would rather just wait. Okay, so we're just waiting. I'm thinking we could, if we reject from here, we could sell. But if we continue, we break above here. If we break above here, that's I'm thinking of taking buys in. The thing about now, like there isn't like really any drawn liquidity. If I'm looking here, like if I do take a buy, it'll probably be till there because this is the all-time highs right here. 1,000, 1,000 leverage. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so we're approaching the 1 hour gap. We are approaching the 1 hour gap. Okay, so if you have if you have 1,000 rand, I think yeah, 0.05 is fine. Someone said a 0.05. That's fine. Yeah, you said 0.5. 0.5. You won't blow your account. Definitely, you will definitely not blow your account. I'm insults. You insults. Okay, that's. Did I draw my 1 hour gap correctly? Because it's looking like it is. Okay, it did get tapped into. Okay, so that did kind of tap into this 1 hour gap here, but there isn't any entry model here. There isn't really any entry thing here, so okay, so I'm waiting for it. It's tapping here. You need to see a reversal here. Can you just delete this before someone thinks I'm taking pies? I'm still not decided yet, guys. We're still waiting. No, 0.05, not 0.5. 0.5 can blow your account. Can definitely blow your account. There isn't actually any trade yet. Like, to be honest, if you take a trade, it'll be after 30-second IFG here. Okay, so it is rejecting here. I want to see a close below here. Potentially, if it does, if this is a possible trade here, that's good. If this plays out, we'll take here. Yeah, you can. Oh no, it's 1K, bro. You can hit on like a 500 rand. You can hit a one lot on Nasdaq. Okay, it is pushing up there. Now I'm low key like regretting not taking this buy here because it's pushing up here. I think this buy was kind of good. Okay, it isn't that much. It's about 300 pips there. Okay, there's a nice rejection there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's risky. I mean, like it is. You only need like 400 rand, but like if you're like willing to risk that 500 rand, 600 rand, whatever, then go for it. It's up to you. Like I mean, that's up to you. You can do what you want. It's your account, your money. You can. So I'm waiting for either a breakout from here. So if you're looking for sells, right? Either we break below here and we sell, or I'm waiting for okay. So I'm waiting for either we break above here and we take buys. Took a buy from 10 minutes. That's valid. That's valid. That's pretty valid, I guess. Okay, so closure, candle closure below, and I'm taking the sell. Okay, just rejected. It just rejected. We're not taking the sell yet. Okay, I'm in. I'm in sells, guys. I'm in sells. Right? I'm in sells, guys. Okay, I'm on sells, guys. Can I do 0 point? Yeah, you can, but if you, I mean, like, you're gonna be risking the whole thing, basically, you know. Sure, wait, this is 30-second. Ah, shucks. Okay, stop loss just above. Yeah, wait. I think we can go stop loss just above there or something. Oh shit, it spiked up already. Yeah, I know. But the thing is, the reason why I'm looking for sales here is okay. They hit my stop loss there. Yeah, okay, took my stop loss there. So okay, we look for another setup. That was a very small stop loss. Either ways, guys, that was a very small stop loss. Like it's like basically like 200 pips. It's a very small stop loss there. So okay, we're gonna look for buys. We're gonna wait for breakout here above here. We'll wait for breakout here of this high here. It was a small stop loss, so it is what it is. We're just gonna wait now for breakout. 5 minute FEG. Here's a 5 minute FEG. Okay, there is a few saying this one here. What are you talking about this here? Okay, so it did tap here. Okay, if you do get a breakout here again, I mean, if it does break below here, if it rejects from here and completely, then we post and sales should be fine. Again. It will be good to leave Rana and buys until 27. Okay, yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so waiting here now, we got a breakout here above. Okay, now we're gonna look for some sort of entry. Looking for some sort of entry, then we can take buys. So that was what we wanted to see. Let's see here. Okay, we got a 1 minute gap here. Okay, so reason why I sold here was we had this a fair value gap here, IFEG here. So we went into, sorry, in 30-second here. Basically, we had a close below and we had a rejection there. So that's why I took a sell from here. But it went into slight bit of profits and then it just basically it went up. But it was a small stop loss, so but very tight stop loss, so it was fine. But we're waiting here and see. Let's just wait and see. Do have a 1 minute gap here. And why I'm waiting for breakout here is because this right here is a 1 hour gap here. Right? See now it's rejecting from this 1 hour gap. It basically took out Asia highs. So it is kind of reversing there. So maybe if we do sell, I think it would be a good maybe entry somewhere here again. I think that might be a good entry again. But like I said, like the guy said, selling at all-time highs is a bit dangerous. But yeah, I'm just following my strategy. However, my strategy gives me, that's what I'm doing. If it fails, it fails. If it doesn't fail, that's fine. But we follow a strat. Main thing is you follow whatever your strategy is. You know, that's what it is, right? Okay, so we did inverse this gap here. But obviously we in this favor 1 hour gap, so I wouldn't take any trade here. I wouldn't take a trade here. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. What a thing. What a drop. Holy shit. It just dropped out of nowhere. It literally just dropped and now it's rejecting somewhere. It's rejecting there. It's coming back for this. Honestly, it's giving me another sell. It's telling me that it wants to sell again. We're just gonna wait and see. I'll wait for this candle here to tell me what's gonna happen. So we did inverse this gap here when we closed, but it did have a big rejection kind of. So and it is pushing up here. And remember we have this is a 1 hour gap here. Actually, this green candle is a 1 hour gap. Okay, it is pushing back up. So we're not going to do anything. It looks like it's going back up. That's crazy. That's crazy. You're talking about this in the bottom here. This 5-minute fair value gap. What are you talking about here? This one here in the bottom here. So potentially, if I'm looking for buys, I'll take a buy from here. If it does come back down here, that might be a good place to buy. But it is rejecting quite hard. It rejected there of this area. This area? This was Asia highs right here. Rejected from. You can see rejected there, right? And then now it's just playing off. It's basically playing off this New York 930 open, 1530 open basically. Right? It rejected once. It rejected there, and it just pumped up from there. So yeah. Okay, market still hasn't given us anything, guys. It still hasn't given us anything as yet. It did kind of give a buy if you applied the orb strategy. Basically, it would have given about 40 pips there. Basically, it gave about 40 pips, but it was like a very up down buy. If you just apply the orb strategy, and that would be your buy there. But it is playing around, right? You can see it's just playing around in this 1 hour gap. I don't really like to take trades in a 1 hour gap. It's normally just consolidates, and I prefer a clean breakout either side. You do your morning VIP signals. So normally I send us first signal out around 4:30. So this is from Tuesday to Friday. So normally from Tuesday to Friday it's 4:30. Mondays normally I don't really send because I am up till like late because of market open and stuff like that. So I don't really send the signal. It's Monday morning, but yeah, it's basically from Monday to Friday you get signals and stuff. Orb strategy target 50 pips. That's what that yeah. That's good. But I think it didn't give 50 pips as yet. If you did take it after this 1 minute break, I give about 40 pips basically. Yes, come on. We rejected off Asia highs, remember? So that's my Asia highs right there. This was yesterday the high that got created. No, I don't swing trade. Sometimes maybe if I on goal, maybe I might. Like if I get a very good entry, I'll just like hold that thing long. But like in general, I don't really swing trade. Like I will just take an entry for the day, I'll target maybe like 100 pips or on goal, whatever. That, I mean, like my daily goal is like 100 pips on goal, and if I get maybe like 100 pips on Nasdaq, basically. So if that's basically what I do. Okay, so we did get a closure, yeah. Okay, we're gonna see now. Let's just see now. Let's just see how this reacts here. Let's see how this reacts here. This is also a 5 minute gap here, as well as an IFEG. Right here, we have an IFEG fit sitting here, and we're gonna see how this reacts here. That's good, bro. That's good. I'm happy. That's the whole point, guys, that you guys learn from, try and learn something from the streams and whatever. That's good, bro. I'm happy. Okay, it is dropping now. I'm just seeing now it is dropping. Wait and see this gap here. See what happens here. I mean, like I can't really, guys, remember, like I can't really tell you like that's your, I mean that 26905. Well, what you mean sell from 26905 to somewhere here? Like I mean like if it's your strategy, I mean like you can you gotta apply your own strat. Okay, yeah, there is a 5 minute check. I mean, like if it's your if you trust your setup and everything, and then yeah. Okay, there's a 5 minute gap here. Preferably, I would obviously prefer the 30 minute. Yeah, if we come here, you can take bias. I'm hoping that's what I'm hoping. Oh, you're still in that cell. Damn. Okay, you should be in profit then. You should be in profit. I mean, and if I did take a sell, it'll probably be till the year or something. If you did take a sell, this will, because you see it now, it's rejected from here. Okay, it is rejecting there. Oh, you had to hold. Damn. Oh, that's kind of lucky then. It's kind of lucky because it is kind of it's selling now. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see what happens here now. To be honest, yeah, the sell was kind of valid, but maybe my entry was maybe just a bit late, a bit early. The sales was kind of valid, guys, but stop loss was tight, and yeah, it is what it is. It's dropping now. We in this 30 minutes. I guess maybe you could target maybe here. Your target could be there. I tapped into the 1 hour here. The one the 30 minutes. Yeah, guys, it looks like it's dropping, but we're gonna wait and see now. Damn. We had ourselves here, and it hit our stop loss somewhere there or something. Wait, we had I can't remember somewhere here or something. And then it hit our stop loss there. It's crazy. It is what it is. And now it's dropped like quite a bit, like 500 pips. Damn. Okay, we're just gonna wait. It's dropping crazy now. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest with you. That that's crazy. It's dropping quite hard now. I can't lie. I kind of also got put off when someone said that must be careful selling. So that's why I didn't go with like a decent size stop loss. Now I'm seeing now it's coming. It's dropping quite hard. So let's just see. Okay, gonna wait and see now. Maybe we could catch up continuation. I don't know. Potential continuation trade. $500, bro. That's crazy. $500 or rands. I'm happy. That's crazy. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, I might take continuation sells here. You see, it kind of did exactly what I said. Remember, I told you guys we're gonna wait for tapping over here, and we could potentially sell till here. You see, it basically did what I kind of said it was gonna do. I mean, no, I mean, like, I think I should have. What I should have done, I should have trusted myself. I think I should take sells here. Then I'm gonna take sells here, guys. I should have trusted myself and just waited a bit and trusted itself. So I should have trusted myself in this case scenario. Okay, let's just see. It sees pushing back there. Wait and see. Wait a little bit. I haven't placed the traders yet. I think maybe a better wait. We wait for the 5-minute gap, 5 minutes close, and then we could take something. I think my analysis was kind of correct. Where I said we'll tap into here and then we'll go and take target that gap there. But now I'm just gonna wait now. I think that was our setup for the day basically, but that would have been the setup. Guess what? It is what it is. Let's just wait and see now. If we do get a 5-minute close here, that will be good. 5-minute. I think that's what I'll settle for. I think the 5-minute close here. 5-minute close below here, and I'll take a sell. Stop loss just above that wick there. 5-minute close below here. That's what I'm settling for, guys. That's might still be my setup for the day. Stop loss. TP could target that could be TP1. There, TP1 there, and then TP2 here. Just low, London low. But he's rejecting quite hard now, so I don't know. It has like 6 seconds. It's not gonna close. It's not gonna close. Yeah. Okay, the 30-minute has gotten respected here. You guys can see 30-minute has been respected here with this week, yeah. It has been kind of choppy, I can't lie. Our pay is this is USA 100. It has been pretty choppy, I can't lie. So now it's dropping again. So he needs to give us a setup, he needs to give us something. So we wait and see what happens. Otherwise, the next setup would be just this. Now it's just playing around. Now it's just playing around. Oh, yeah, what pair is this? I don't know if I answered you, but it's Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the pair. What pair is this? I don't know if I answered you, but it's Nasdaq. Wrong. Come on, 3 minutes left. We can get a close, would be good. Close here would be good. A closure would be good, guys. A closure could be good. Close below would be very, very nice. And it's rejecting again. Still hasn't given us a setup. Hasn't given us a setup as yet. Okay, the setup actually was kind of there already to sell, but it is what it is. Stop loss there. Hi guys, how do you calculate pips? So you can use this tool here basically. This is tool here, so you can see basically tell you like 598 pips or whatever. It's not coming for us, not giving us entry. It is still rejecting, yeah, you guys can see. It's still rejecting. Still very much rejecting. Nothing, guys, nothing. But yeah, maybe if it closes here again. If it either this trade here, we set to wait for breakout here, or long setup here. That's the only thing I'm looking at here. Either one of the two. See, it's just playing around. It's not giving us a good setup at all. It's one of these two setups, guys. It's one of these two. We're just gonna be patient and wait and see. Basically, just gonna wait for breakout. Okay, so waiting now. News before you trade. I only look at the major news, like that. What will like like really affect the markets. So yeah, so not like if I basically in May, like the start of the week, I'll look at the news, what happens, and if it's like anything like major, then and that's gonna affect that will affect the Nasdaq or gold, whatever, then I'll look at it. But otherwise, not really. Like if before I take a trade, no, I don't. Okay, so it's still playing there. Not okay. So how many minutes left for the? Still 3 minutes left for the 5 minute close. 5 minute close is in 3 minutes time.
I'll never stop the banter. Oh, I'll never stop the hate. You guys will never stop the banter. Oh, well, if you want a video showing the money, I can. But obviously, you guys will never stop the hate. You'll never stop the banter. Oh, wow, we receive a salary. You guys will never be satisfied. All I'm trying to show is that it's possible to make money with Forex. But obviously, you get idiots like this that'll continue bantering and making stupid comments. But anyways, fuck you all. I don't care.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Never stop the hate, you guys will never stop the banter.
You guys listen to
Oh,
this.
well, if you want a video showing the money, I can. But obviously, you guys will never stop the hate, you'll never stop the banter. Oh, wow, we receive a salary. You guys will never be satisfied. All I'm trying to show is that it's possible to make money with Forex. But obviously, you get idiots like this that'll continue bantering and making stupid comments. But anyways, fuck you all, I don't care.
So 50 seconds left, guys. Then I'm taking a trade. 40 seconds left. The 1 minute close. So haven't taken a trade yet. Okay, it closed, but it left a big wick here, so it's just gonna wait and see. Preferably, I would want to close below here. These 1 minute candles here. That's what I want to see. Preferably a close below here.
Never stop the hate, you guys.
Still not giving us setup, guys. Okay, the new 4-hour candle came out, guys. The new 4-hour candle came out. Where's the 4-hour? No, I don't know. Wait, is that the new 4-hour? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay, so just see now. That was about 16. This is crazy. Crazy. Just not no movement at all. It's just playing between in this 30 minutes. So there's nothing as it, guys.
There's no reason for me to make a video showing my face. I don't need to show my face. You understand? Yeah, I don't need to show my face. Yeah, Wes. This is a withdrawal, a young withdrawal of a demo trader. Yeah.
Nothing.
Maybe one day you'll
There's
get there,
nothing here.
Like
There's
you said,
nothing
you
here.
make money, 20K in 1 month. You know? You make 10K in 1 day. Show me your 10K. Or show me your withdrawals. Or maybe you're gonna have to accumulate your account first and then withdraw. But anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna be like you and banter people and put people down because you know there is hope still in Forex, and Forex is not a scam and it's not a quick get rich scheme of making money now.
We're just playing in the 30 minute, guys. In the 30 minutes. So yeah. Nothing. Just
Unfortunately, fair play is not enough for me, and I want a written apology or a voice note apology from you because maybe one day you'll understand when you get a bit older and you're not less childish and you're not less immature to banter other people and to call people scammers, this and that. Yeah. Raise your face now. Be a man. Apologize. Like I did to Azim when I made fun of him. Oh, but if you don't have the balls for it, then we totally get you.
You guys are hearing this. This is crazy. Close below. Come on. Break even is actually very close. I'm gonna be taking if I do end up taking this. I'm taking this, guys. I'm taking it. Flip this. I'm taking this sell. Yeah. I'm gonna take the sell. I mean, guys. No, it's not a VIP group. It's a normal group. It's a free group, guys. It's a free group. There is a. It's not. You don't pay for this group. It's open chat. Just what? Yeah. Just maybe the stop loss. Stop loss just below this, so we can mark out. Yeah. Okay, I'm in a put up profits now. There's my stop loss. TP at the lows. It needs to break here. As soon as we go here, wait, turn line here. Actually, technically, I'm going break even right here. I'm going break even very early. Break even there. It's a very risky trade. Oh, okay, I see. I see now. Yeah, oh, people talk the whole day. It's a high risk trade, guys.
Well, it's comments like this that shows me how right I am about you. Your mentality and your understanding of vocabulary and speech, it sucks, bro. That's why I can see you and Ibrahim are friends. I can see why. You guys make a perfect couple, man. But yeah. Anyways, like I said before, not trying to flex on anyone. Just trying to show you guys that through hard work and timing and letting out a
This guy all
strategy,
day. Humor guys going break even, yeah.
letting the trade come out, anything's possible.
Slight profits, slight blue. Just at my entry now, right now. So about $100 up now. So like I said, stop loss here, break even. I'm going break even quite early. Once it close, obviously it close it. If it just touches, I'm not going. I go once it breaks below here. That's why I'm going break even.
You get it up period. You get it up period, kid.
One second. The key's on the door. Okay, come in. Oh god, just let me sit down for a thing. Okay, so it is rejecting here. You can see here of this 1 minute fair value gap here. Okay, now it broke above there now. Let's just see. Slight break above. Oh my days. Now it's pushing up again. And I am in drawdown. So yeah, these last 2 days have not been good for me. Yeah, stop loss just above 930 high, so that's a 930 high there. Don't come.
My shirt.
Still online.
What's it from there, Angie?
Oh?
My shirt.
It's just consolidating, guys. And it's playing between basically this, like, let's just wait and see. Beef sapping in the group again, guys. Got funny.
Bro. Believe what you want to believe. Don't believe what you don't want to believe. Yeah.
Oh my days.
I don't know if you heard the saying of cash is king. Yeah. But you wouldn't understand. It's for tax purposes. Yeah. And make a large purchase and claim it back at the end of the year when you do pay taxes. Or if you do, because since you are a forex trader, you do know you have to pay taxes on all of the income that you earn. And forex is considered as income. So, yeah. Just a side note for you, right, little kid? When you want to make a large purchase, instead of being a dumb guy or dumb idiot that's want to go purchase everything on a card for whatever you want to purchase, right? Be smart. Take the cash, go withdraw it, get it out of the ATM, go make your purchase. Nothing will be put up on your bank account as a living expense. Rather, you can put the purchase what you made as a business expense, and then you can claim it back at the end of the year.
This does make
At
sense.
the beginning of the year when you do file your taxes for the previous year.
Okay, it's dropping again. Almost an entry again. Close here below, please. Close below, yeah. Then I'll be a bit happy. Close below there. Then I know that we should drop from there. Again, it's rejecting. You see, it's rejecting here after this high here, and this was okay. It's coming down again. It's coming down. About 200 drawdown currently, but I'm waiting now. I'm hoping this is just.
And if you don't pay taxes, what happens, right? When you do become successful one day, the government will hit you with a big fine. And if you don't pay that fine, they will repossess all of your assets. That means all the hard work you did was for nothing if you don't pay your taxes. You get my point? So that's why if you don't pay your taxes, all of the stuff you own, tata, say bye-bye, tata. It's going back to the government that you purchased it from. So pay your taxes, guys. It's a good thing.
Still in this 30-minute fair value gap. I thought we had a breakout there, but how's the 30-minute looking either way? So just okay. So 30 minutes still playing around here. It's still wicking. You see, it's the thing is, it's just wicking here. It's just wicking one way, here and here. Doesn't know what he wants to do. Seriously, it's like yesterday. It was after it took us out. Obviously, it chose a direction. So it might be doing the same thing today, but
Look, if you've never paid taxes before, I'm sure you do have a salary that you earn from your employer. So you have paid taxes, called pay as you earn, depending on what the amount you make. If you make below 10,000, you will have paid pay as you earn. If you make above 10,000, you will have paid a proper amount of 2,000 per 10,000, right? And also, that's one of the forms of taxes. But if you are constantly
He's
making
talking duck. You
withdrawals
don't
from
pay
the broker,
2,000
right?
per.
And the withdrawals amount to more than 10,000. That means that double your salary, 10,000 plus your salary, that's 20K. That means you're gonna have to pay taxes on that money that's coming from the broker, which is a different income. It's not a work-based salary. It's an
Basically, you're saying
investment-based salary,
for every
which is more
10,000
than
you pay
18%,
2,000 rand. You're
sometimes
talking shit.
22%, if I'm not mistaken. But you guys can check the figures up on Google. I think I'm mistaken about paying 22% on the amount, but you guys can check it out.
You only on 10,000 rand, you only pay 300 rand, basically 359 or something like that. So much shit. On 20,000, you pay how many? I'll tell you now exactly how much you pay. Yeah, I think what it was doing right, that was basically, it was a fake out there. It looks like it's gonna take us out. So yeah, it looks like it might be buying, might take us out, but no, it's not holding. It's not holding, guys. The 5 minutes not holding. Let's just see. It's great in that gap, the 5 minute there, but we just see. We just gonna stop loss just above here, just above this fair value gap, I guess. Just above there, so we're just gonna see now. Okay, it broke above the 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it's an 8 stop loss as well. Yeah, these last 2 days haven't been it. Just haven't been it, guys. Okay, this is kind of old. It is rejecting now. It is rejecting there as well. Okay, that's a 5 minute gap here. This line here, basically this 5 minute. That's a 5 minute fair value gap. It needs to hold. It needs to reject. It needs to close. This part here is basically the. Okay, it's rejecting nicely. It is rejecting nicely, but that's like basically like our last hope, I guess. It is rejecting there. I might enter more cells, maybe. I don't know. If we do come down and inverse this 1 minute gap here, I might enter another one here. If we do close below here, I'll enter or another one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Okay, no problem. But yeah, bro, don't be that person, please, bro. Like I've told you guys so many times, I don't live a fake lifestyle. And yeah, please don't be that guy, bro. Let's make peace with each other, but because if we don't, I can promise you one thing, I'm not making a threat to you, bro. But it's on when we see each other. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Like literally, I know how you look, you know how I look, bro. If I see you one day, you better be able to keep what you said. Because if you're unable to, then that shows me that you're not a man and you're a boy like I claimed to be. Like I claimed you to be.
Holy shit. Oh, yeah, they're gonna take us out. Okay. You just rejected off that high. Could this be some sort of reversal here?
Bro, I know what happened. I saw the chats. That's my baby brother. So I don't know what you're trying to prove. Like, you know, I really don't know what you're trying to prove. Stop avoiding what I'm telling you now. Don't avoid it because I'm literally being honest with you and I'm telling you, bro. Since you live in my area, right? Or you live in Panorama, wherever the fuck you live, bro. If you do not stop bantering me and like calling me a fake person, bro, I can guarantee you, whenever I see you in the village, bro, and if you do come to the village or Woolworths or wherever I'm gonna see you, bro, I can guarantee you, me and you is gonna be
Nice,
it's
bro.
not
Come
gonna
on.
look nice to you. I promise you, bro. Because the fact that you keep on continuing and I keep on proving you wrong so many times, it's eating up at me. And I'm not a little kid. And I don't like the fact that you take me as a little kid. So rather make peace with me and we can make peace with each other and we can stop this whole thing and then we, like we can move on and be good friends. Like Azim and Reese don't have a problem with me. Neither does Armin. Only you. So please, bro, like, can Allah master you nicely. But if you don't and you choose the fact that you want to continue remaining my enemy, bro, like literally, I'm not threatening you, but you better be able to stand up for what you said.
Come on, it's rejecting nicely.
Okay, no problem. But yeah, bro, don't be that person, please, bro. Like I've told you guys so many times, I don't live a fake lifestyle. And yeah,
Okay, so we got a
please don't be that
1
guy.
minute fair value gap
Let's
here.
make peace with each other, but because if we don't, I can promise you one thing, I'm not making a threat to you, bro. But it's on when we see each other. That's all I'm gonna say. Like literally,
250 low. Oh shit. Guys, go see that the group, guys. Got funny. While we in drawdown, there's something to laugh about. Battle it out of the iPhone 17. Yeah, true. They should just see who's the better trader there. Got funny though, I can't lie. Yeah, it's genuinely, it's just too funny. Okay, so I'm waiting for a break. It needs to drop. It's dropping now. It is dropping. I'm entering another position here because I'm entering another position here. So yeah, just yeah, into another one. So it'll help with a bit of drawdown. So that position is in profit right now. So I've got a position here, and I'll close my other entry here at break even. Once it comes to break even, I'll close that shit. But yeah, the assets were very close to stop loss, very very close. Hope he doesn't play us and just come back to our entry, then fly back up and then eat us stop loss, and then drop again, come back here or something. I don't. I just I've been played way too much, way too much. Come on, drop, drop, drop. It's been acting up a bit. Stop loss is still above here, just above this gap here. See, if you look on the 5 minute time frame, that's the fair value gap there that we've been saying, the 5 minute FEG. So it's just above there. Just above here. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't take us out and then melts. We just gotta be patient. We just gotta bear with the drawdown. We just gotta bear with the drawdown, guys. I really, really hope it doesn't take us out. I don't mind being in drawdown, like, but just come back to my entry eventually. It needs to come back. So it's back into that 5 minute gap. It's back in that 5 minute gap. This is crazy price action. I can't lie. Like it's just been consolidation, breakout again, and yeah, it's just been messed up. The sell that we took here was very good. If we took a sell here, I was tempted. So a buy here. I wanted to take a sell somewhere here. I did take a sell here. We got stopped out, and then we could have taken that held that sell. I think I was a bit put off. Some people were saying NAS is gonna buy up to 3700 or something like that today, and I got a bit like I was a bit confused. So I didn't go with the big stop loss there. But it looks like it's gonna take us out now. It's been a long day, trading day. I can't lie, this has been very, very long. Yeah, but I got confused, like it just kind of put me off with the cells. So it's fine. I mean, like it happens. I should trust in myself with the cell. I should trust in myself, and yeah. Didn't see. It's coming back down again. Yeah, that was a sell. That was the one. And then it did go into a bit of drawdown, but it was like a small stop loss. It was somewhere here or something. Oh yeah, yeah. We had somewhere. I had a stop loss like there. Was it? So somewhere here or something, I think. I got stopped out there, they went down. I think if we did have a slightly bigger, maybe above Asia highs, something we could have been. I mean, like that's about 75 pips there. But it is what it is. Tomorrow we learn to go again. If we do get stopped out here, somehow if it reverses from here, that would be an insane. And he does decide to melt and go all the way down. That would be crazy. That would be crazy if he does decide to come back in here where it was rejecting from previous. But it is playing games. It is playing games. It is. Let's see what's happening in the group. For my days, it just must be a stop loss. It just missed it still. Oh shit. This is crazy. It's like literally a few pips away from stop loss. It's literally a few pips away, guys. Let's see. It's giving us it's either giving us like it's giving us basically a slow death. It's giving us slow death. Still hasn't hit us yet. And that's it. It's taken me out, guys. That's been rough. It's been a rough 2 days on the charts. But we'll be back. We'll make a comeback for sure, definitely. This is a long trade. We got played both ways. I think the sell here was definitely the sell. That was like if we did have a bigger stop loss. I mean, that was basically the sell there. That was basically our sell. But it is what it is. It is pumping up now. I mean, I'm not gonna take another trade. If there is a setup, I wouldn't take. There was kind of a buy, like I said here. If it broke out above there, that was kind of a buy. I could take it, but we did take the sell. It didn't play out. It faked us out, and they pumped up. But yeah, tough day, guys. Yeah, it's a tough day. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna end the stream now. Hopefully, come back tomorrow, and we make back everything. Okay, guys. All right. Salams, guys.